Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G, a phone that's packed with mind-blowing features. It's designed for people who want the best of the best. This device brings together top-notch technology for an amazing user experience. Get ready to be blown away. Before that, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G is a beast. When it comes to performance, it's powered by the Qualcomm SM8650AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is built on a 4nm architecture. This means it's super fast and efficient with its 8-core setup, including a powerful Cortex-X core running at 3.39 GHz and a mix of Cortex-A 720 cores. This phone can handle any task you throw at it with ease. It's designed to deliver top-notch performance for all your needs. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5 is a visual treat. It features a gorgeous 6.8-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. The screen-to-body ratio is a whopping 88.5%, giving you an immersive viewing experience, and with a pixel density of around 505 ppi. The visuals are incredibly detailed. Get ready to be blown away by the stunning display on this phone. Let me give you a more detailed description of the camera. Specifications on the Galaxy S24 5G. This phone is a dream come true for photography enthusiasts. It boasts a rear camera setup that will blow you away. The star of the show is the groundbreaking 200MP wide lens with its impressive f/1.7 aperture and multi-directional PDAF. Phase detection autofocus. You can expect exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or stunning portraits, this lens will deliver outstanding results. But that's not all. The Galaxy S24 5G also features a periscope telephoto lens with a 50MP sensor, offering an impressive 5 optical zoom. This means you can get up close and personal with your subjects without sacrificing image quality. And if you need a little bit more zoom, there's a 10MP telephoto lens that provides 3x optical zoom. So whether you're capturing distant details or zooming in on a faraway subject, the Galaxy S24 5G has got you covered. And let's not forget about the 12MP ultra-wide lens. With its wide field of view, you can capture stunning moments from a different perspective. Whether you're trying to fit a large group of friends into a single shot or want to capture the grandeur of a beautiful landscape, the ultra-wide lens will help you do it with ease. Oh, and did I mention that the Galaxy S24 5G also comes with super steady video capabilities? This means you can record smooth and stable videos. Even when you're on the move, no more shaky footage ruining your precious memories. So, in a nutshell, the Galaxy S24 5G's camera setup is truly impressive. From the groundbreaking 200MP wide lens to the versatile telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, this phone has everything you need. To capture stunning photos and videos, get ready to take your photography game to the next level. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G is a beast. It's got a massive 5000 mAh battery that keeps you powered up all day long. And charging is a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your phone and less time being tied to an outlet. It's all about convenience, my friend. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G is a true powerhouse. Samsung has really outdone themselves with this one, pushing boundaries and bringing innovation to the table. Get ready to elevate your mobile experience with the Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G, where power meets precision, and there are no limits to what you can do.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored again?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything? that you said. I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing.